In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can use concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see two columns which is containing first name and last name. We just need to concatenate those columns and get a full name. So let's start. Here just enter equal, then write concatenate. Then you just need to select your text, then put a comma, and then again your last name, then close the bracket. Now you can see an error. That's not only error, but it's giving something which is not right. You can see that there is no space between first name and last name, but we need this. If we want to do this, you just need to do one thing. Just do again, go to formula bar, then you can see that, and just put a space between first name and last name. For this you just need to put quotation and then a space and then again quotation and then a comma. If you enter that, then you will see that first name and last name differentiate with a space. Now you just drag it to last. You can see everything is fine now. If you want to put a comma between them, you can also do it. Just remove the space and put a comma and then enter. You can see first name and last name differentiate with a comma. You can also do it anything. If you want to insert a pipe between them, you can also do it. Just enter equal. Look, this is how working. So we are happy with space for this. Just drag it to last. This is how you can use concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching.